So how's the weather in your side? Because in Guangdong province there are every day it's rainy, heavy rainy every day.
Yeah, so over here, the weather is getting nicer and it is very warm, and sometimes it can be very humid, which can make it difficult to breathe.
I can say because you wearing two clothes, but we just wear t-shirt, you know.
Yeah, that's because I'm in the basement. I'm in the basement, and the basement is always cold.
Okay.
The basement is a level underground. So right now, I am approximately 7 to 8 feet underground.
7 to 8 feet.
I am under the ground.
What do you mean? You live in the underground?
Yes, right now I am in the basement.
What kind of basement?
The basement is a level in a home that is under the ground. In the
Oh,
ground. Under.
okay. Sounds like our building in the -1, -2.
Exactly. Negative
Yeah.
one, -2. So I am in -1. And when you are in the basement, it's always cold in the basement because we are underground. That's
So,
why my heater is on even in the summer, because regardless of the weather outside, it's always cold in the basement. It's always cold underground, and I always wear extra. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?